What is life like in Chengdu? It's the perfect blend of leisure and comfort. The energetic view from the busy traffic, the vibrant nightlife, the rich cultural heritage, the breathtaking scenery of its greenway, the serene blue waters of the lake, the artistic atmosphere, the bustling work life, the relaxing moments in 30,000 tea houses and 8,000 coffee shops. The taste buds tantalized by 150 variety of snacks and 17,000 hot pot restaurants.
We often hear people say food is the first necessity of the people. For the beautiful landscapes and sceneries, seeing is believing, and I believe for tasty food, eating is believing. One of the most famous Chengdu snacks is the Sichuan-style hot pot, which is a communal dish that is enjoyed by groups of people. The hot pot is a large pot of boiling spicy broth placed in the center of the table, and diners add raw meat, vegetables, and noodles, etc. to the pot, cooking everything together and dipping it in various sauces.
Beauty of life in Chengdu is deeply rooted in its romance. From hunting, singing, and dancing in the handbrakes to banquets in the Tang and Song poetry, and tea houses and leisurely time in the old days, Chengdu has a rich history that adds to its charm. Chengdu is a city once you come, you never want to leave.